Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 22, OV 1. अथ श्री साई सच्चरित अध्याय 22. Chapter 22, Warding off of Untimely Death. श्री गणेशाय नमः, श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः, श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः, श्री कुलदेवताये नमः, श्री सीतारामचंद्राभ्यां नमः, श्री सद्गुरु साईनाथाय नमः. I bow down to Shri Ganesh. I bow down to Shri Saraswati. I bow down to the Guru. I bow down to the family deity. I bow down to Shri Sita Ramachandra. I bow down to Shri Sadguru Sainath. जय सद्गुरो आनंद घना ज्ञान स्वरूपा परम पावना. जय जयाजी भव भय निकंदना कलिमल दहना परिपूर्णा. Hail Sadguru, the cloud of happiness, the incarnation of supreme knowledge and holiest of the holies. Hail to thee, the remover of the fears of this world and the destroyer of the sins of Kali Yuga by burning them. तू आनंद सागर तुझवरी उठती नाना वृत्ती लहरी. त्याही तूच तूच आवरी कृपा करी निज भक्ता. You are the ocean of bliss on which waves of different emotions are formed. You yourself are in control of them. Bless your devotees. अल्पांधारीचा जो साप तोच प्रकाशी दोर आपाप. अल्पांधार प्रकाश स्वरूप दोहीचा बाप तू एक. The illusory snake of the semi-darkness becomes a rope in daylight. Both the semi-darkness and the daylight are your creation. सर्पाकार वृत्तीचा जनिता तिजलाच दोराचा आकार देता. तूच भीती ते उत्पन्न करता अंती निर्वारिताही तूच. You are the one who gives birth to the notion of the existence of a serpent, and you are the one to change that form into a rope. You are the creator of the fear, and you are the one who removes that fear in the end. आधी जेव्हा पूर्णांधार नाही सर्प नाही दोर. वृत्ती उठाया नाही थार तोही निराकार तू होसी. In the very beginning of time, when there is complete darkness, there is neither a serpent nor a rope, and there is no scope of any notion of any kind. Even that state of formlessness is only you. पुढे निराकाराचा आकार तोही अल्प प्रकाशाचा अवसर. तेणे आभासू लागला विखार आभासा कारणही तूच. Later on, when the formlessness develops into a form in the semi-light, it gives the false notion of a snake. That also is created by you only. ऐसा दृश्यादृश्य भाव हातव वृत्त्यानंद प्रभाव. भावाभाव रहित स्वभाव न लगे ठाव कवनाही. This concept of appearance and non-appearance is the manifestation of the sport of your changing moods. Your real nature is free of both existence and non-existence. Thus, nobody can fathom you. श्रुती मौनावल्या ऐशियास्तव अशेष मुखाही करिताही स्तव. शेषही नेणे स्वरूप वास्तव ते मी कवन जाणावया. The Shrutis are silent about this. Even Shesh, the legendary serpent, with his 1,000 tongues, found them inadequate. Who am I then to understand it? बाबा तव स्वरूप दर्शना वाचून काही रुचेना मना. वाटे आणावे तेच ध्याना ठेवावे लोचना समोर. Baba, Nothing else pleases me than your darshan. I feel that I should keep your form in front of my eyes all the time and meditate on it. केवळ शुद्ध ज्ञानमूर्ती भावया आत्यंतिक सौख्यपूर्ती नाही तुझिया पाया परती आणिक गती आम्हाते. You are the incarnation of pure knowledge. To achieve the goal of happiness, there is no other path to us than to be at your feet. कायती तव नित्याची बैठक दर्शना येती भक्त अनेक ठेवोनिया पायी मस्तक प्रेमे निज सुख लुटीत. Oh, how pleasing is your familiar posture when you are on your seat. Many devotees come to take your darshan, bow down their heads at your feet, gathering in their own happiness lovingly.